Early spring is a good time to visit the top of the mountains, separating San Francisco Bay Area from the ocean. It's pretty hot here during the summer, but in March, the ridges are green and pleasant to observe. After driving on Skyline Boulevard, we turned to a wavy Page Mill Road and reached Los Trancos Open Space Reserve, parked our car at the head of the trail, and walked first on the eastern portion of Franciscan Loop Trail, then all the way along Lost Creek Loop Trail, and returned tracing back our steps on the San Franciscan Trail. It took us approximately an hour and a half, but on the way, we did find that Lost Creek, which is actually quite beautiful. We also saw lots of interesting plants, especially ferns of various species. Sword fern, bracken fern, goldenback fern, maidenhair fern. Did you know that the young curled fern leaves are edible? Well, at least those that grow in the forest of Europe. They're called fiddleheads, and dishes from the fiddleheads can be found in various cultures. They definitely have to be boiled or steamed for a while. Fiddleheads are likely to be served with oil, butter, or vinegar. Please note that we are not recommending collecting and tasting the fiddleheads, particularly if you are not sure what species they are, and especially in areas where the nature is under protection. We only included this information because it may make you look at these plants under a different angle. There is plenty of shade along the way, and I assume it should not be too hot even in the summer. Somewhere in the middle of the trail, there is a peaceful creek that gave the name to the trail. It's a nice place to slow down and enjoy the murmur of the water. Here we spotted a gorgeous plant named Trillium, also known under the common name of giant wake robin. It has 3 huge leaves and vertical dark reddish-purple flower. Really nice surprise. If you like to hike the hills or mountains, this trail is a good choice. Just make sure you remember the place where you enter Lost Creek Loop to get back to the parking lot the same way. It seems very easy to miss that turn and return to the loop. By the way, if you will need a restroom, it's across the road on the parking lot of another open space reserve called Montebello. Just be careful and watch out for cars. The parking lot is also larger on the other side of the road, but the grass is not green, just about the same. Thanks for watching and good luck on your trails. Do not forget to subscribe and check out our videos about other nature places near San Francisco.